Welcome to year-end 2020. I am Melissa, Ops Manager at ConnectPay, and I thought we would share a glass of wine and discuss what items are needed for year-end. January 1st is a Friday, which means we get a short final week of 2020 and a jump on 2021. All changes, bonus, and fringe benefit amounts must be in by Monday, December 28th to ensure processing for 2020. Amended W-2s are a drag. They're expensive and frustrating for everybody involved. 2020 was a difficult year at best, but did any of your employees take the plunge and get married or divorced, or did they move? If so, is their information correct in the payroll system? Please remind them to review their pay stubs and let you know that their information is correct. A helpful tip is to print out a pay stub for each employee, pop it in an envelope, and have them sign off on it. You will avoid a lot of headaches down the road. You can also grab the new client setup report in your ConnectPay account to verify this information. If you need help, your CSR is always around. Next up, fringe benefits. Fringe benefits must be processed prior to 12/31/2020. Are you the owner of an S Corp? If so, the cost of your health insurance should be reported on your W-2. We will need that total amount, please and thanks. Do you provide your employees with a company vehicle? If so, did they joyride in it at all in 2020? If they did, that's taxable income. We need that amount too. Do you provide life insurance for your team? If you do, and their benefits over $50,000, the amount over 50 is also taxable based on their age. Guess what? We need that too. Those are the most common fringe benefits that we see in small business. If you're lucky enough to have access to the company jet and actually get to travel in 2020, well, we're going to need that amount too. Lastly, there's some income items that you may want to take a look at before the year comes to an end. First, bonuses. If you're paying them out this year, we need those numbers by Monday, 12/28. Short-term disability or third-party sick payments. If anyone was out on short-term disability in 2020, we need that info before 12/31 to get it on the W-2s. And if you've paid out any FFCRA amounts, make sure that you didn't exceed 80 hours for the first 2 weeks of sick, shutdown, or quarantine, $2,000 for the next 2 weeks if they were sick, or $10,000 for extended leave if they had a daycare issue. That's about it for this episode of Year-End 2020. Don't forget to download the year-end newsletter and checklist. Any questions at all, feel free to reach out. Thank you for your time, patience, and loyalty during 2020. Stay well.